So the job for today is I'm tired of dealing with wooden pieces that break because I have all different kind of weight that be on these chairs. So the thing is now is welding it together, making it more sturdier. So stay tuned. If you want to see that project, I'll probably put it on YouTube or something under Thrill Arts. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Yep. Got this part. Still got the barcode. If you ever want to know what kind of metal this is, it's right here. Flat bar. All I gotta do is give it about right here.